place. I'm gonna build a new door on this today. These bugs, these gnats, killing me. We're gonna put a new door on here today. I'm gonna build a new one, rot it out, shoot up. I'm gonna get this off of here, and boy, well, she's in there. Okay. Thirty-three and a half wide, 25 and a half tall. That's what we're gonna need here for our frame. We're gonna make the frame go inside of the, I'm gonna make the door frame go inside of the opening. And there is some framing in there now. I'm gonna leave that, and we're gonna make it work that way. So, short. Okay, need my saw. Bugs making me crazy. I don't know if I can put over these bugs. This one fits nicely. This one, too long, by 1.5 inches. How about this one? Needs to be 3. Ooh. So this one is, it's actually 26 minus 3, because you got a board that's going to go here and a board along the bottom. So that's 26 minus 3 is going to be 23 inches. What is this one? Oh, 22 and a half. Perfect. We're going to use this one. Yeah. We're gonna have to make this about a 1/2 inch shorter yet. We're gonna take a 1/2 inch off of it. We'll make this one the same. I did here. Got in a bit of a hurry, and I cut this short. I want this end flush because there's going to be hinges in here, and this is going to open up. And I don't want this. If you run this end over and then you try to open it, this is going to hit. So that's not going to work. But if I run this end over 1 inch, all right, it's going to allow it to overhang that framing board, which you'll see here in a little bit. Well, the framing board will be here. Okay? This will close in on the framing board, and if this is over a little bit, there's going to be a little gap there. This is over like that much. And then this one is over the same amount, like so. This is how it will look. The frame will be slightly exposed, and you're going to need that to put a latch on here. Okay, I'm not putting a latch on it. I don't have one, but he could put a latch on it, and it'll keep the door shut. See, this is going all the way to the bottom brick, so there will be no space there, and this is going to the top. This one will need to be overlapped slightly as well, probably 1.5 inches out like that, and then I'll put the metal in here and be good. So this is going to go over here now. This piece All right, now I'm going to cut this right here. That should be fine, and I'm going to do the same with that one. All right. Now, $25 3/4. That's what we're going for here. Hold on. Chris Plant hour is over. And move on to the next hour. The podcast. Okay, door's made. You can see this will be the end, it'll overlap. That'll also keep it from closing too far. This will do the same against the top frame. So I'm gonna go get a couple of hinges off of those doors out there. All right, I'm gonna put these hinges on here. And I guess we'll see what happens. Okay, now comes a little bit tricky part. All right, now, boy, this is going to be a little tricky. This is the way it's got to be done because there's can't do it on this side. All right. Now, doesn't that look nice? Daggone, that looks nice. That looks real good.